See something wrong with that? On YouTube, so just say you met a brother from London, man.
I met someone from London.
London, England, man.
London, England. All right.
London, England.
I'm gonna link you if you guys are interested. Yeah. Healthy food. Check them out. They're pretty nice, you know.
10 days.
10 days, nice. In the hostel has like free breakfast, not too bad. I've never really had breakfast in hostels. Trying something new, like bread, jelly, orange juice. Good start to the morning here in Sofia, Bulgaria. Pretty sunny day here in Sofia, Bulgaria. I learned a pretty valuable lesson about this place today. Apparently how the weather is here in Sofia, don't quote me on this, this is from someone who I talked to earlier. They said that here, if you want to get stuff really done on days when it's going to rain, because it never really rains in the morning, you need to do everything in the morning, because whenever it says it's going to rain and you're here in Sofia, in Bulgaria, the mornings are usually calm, but in the afternoons when it picks up and rains. So shifting my schedule, instead of doing things inside in the morning, I'm gonna do things inside on the night or later in the day today, so that way I can profit while the sun is. Sofia, Bulgaria, a city that I really like. I don't know what it is. There's graffiti everywhere if you guys have missed the last couple of days, like even in very nice buildings, but there's something, I don't know, there's something about the city. It just, yeah, Sofia's a yes. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Actually, as I said, I want to kind of change things up. By the way, I got this fresh slab. I kind of want to change things up, so I'm not going to stand out there like the locals kind of do. As you can see, 3, 2. Not going to stand out there. Going to actually get on the move to try to explore and cover more ground. And I know on days like this when I'm like, I got to go out, got to see all this stuff before it rains. Those are the days it never really even ends up. One thing I've discovered, if Kyiv, Ukraine is like coffee's paradise, like a coffee lover's paradise, if you love cafes, this place could be cafe lover's paradise, because there's literally cafes everywhere all along this main walking route. But at the same time, it's almost like a pizza lover's paradise, because there's pizza places everywhere with huge slices, the biggest slices I've ever seen, and they're all like less than €1. So that kind of makes it a paradise, because you can get more for less. So I actually decided to take like a nice little 20-30 minute break, hoping still it's not gonna rain, taking a chance, but yeah, finishing up now, gonna go. May have to make a quick stop back at the hostel to kind of change clothes, shower, feel refreshed. Hope it's not still raining, because I do want to kind of still explore the city, but kind of go maybe a little bit out, not on that main street, just get straight to that big park. You remember where that is? Yeah, and also one thing that I'm kind of learning about here in Sofia is that it's kind of really cool. The side streets, they're all like really nice. They all look really similar, and it's almost like you see here where it's almost like decorated. Like it's literally like every street is kind of decorated and looks actually pretty nice. Not saying that everything happens on the side streets, but I say if you guys are here, the main street is nice, but don't forget the side streets here. The side streets, they're just like look at this over here, like something like this is here. Like, and this is like a back street.
Where you from, brother? Where you from?
Huh?
Where you from?
From the States, man.
States, man.
Yeah, where you from?
Ah.
And to you all women from England, guys, don't overthink things. Don't overthink things. Everything's okay. You go out, people are gonna be nice some places, people are gonna be rude some places. You know, they were just talking like, I'm not worried coming to places like this. And it's like, you know, I was telling them, I was like, you know what's gonna happen? Someone's gonna hate me, someone's gonna fight me, someone's gonna kill me. It's like, I mean, all that stuff can happen in the city where you live. The city where you live. It's possible you get in a car crash or something. Like, you know, I hate to be negative, but it's just being kind of real. And when you really think about it from that perspective, you realize, when you look at it from that perspective, you realize like, well, what am I really afraid of? You really just play all these scenarios out in your mind that, oh, this is gonna happen, this is gonna happen. But most of the time, none of that stuff ever happens, number one. And second thing is, if something does happen, you'll realize how to adapt from it and you'll learn from it. Really, yeah, really kind of that simple. Okay, so right now I arrived to the, you guys remember this little statue thing from the other day when I was walking with Asia? And now at the end of this, I just find something beautiful and amazing in just wandering around the city. You know, I remember when I was in school, I used to get yelled at all the time for wandering around the halls, like get yelled at for everyone and then get in trouble for it. And now I realize that it was such a quality that if you can use it at the right time, it will lead you to some amazing things, literally such as right now as I go over these things or I go under these. And actually I remember, I guess apparently what's supposed to happen here, I actually watched, I think Jermaine Ellis, another YouTuber, you guys have told me about him, and he was actually here like a couple days ago, and he looked up, and basically what they do here is apparently they grow like a tree here, and the leaves and everything form like a natural shade. That's what's supposed to happen with these, but I guess they just haven't planted the okay, so it is probably 3.5 hours later, 4 hours later. I actually went back and took a little bit of a power nap. Just kind of, today's really a chill day. I'm really liking this city. I believe for me, this city is such a chill, relaxed place. It's hard to describe it. I don't know, I can't find the words. This is only day number 2, but I can't find the words, but I'm really enjoying it, the vibe. It's really chill and calm, like not a lot of people yelling and talking on the streets. Despite the graffiti and uneven pavements, it still seems to be pretty safe, pretty calm and chill. And you know, I feel like, you know, after meeting those people today and talking with them, and you know, the first thing they asked me, like, oh my gosh, you're here by yourself, you're not scared, you're not going on, and it made me think, you know. And I'll end the vlog on this just to kind of give you guys some value, because I don't know, I didn't really do too much today. Is that, you know, you worry like, oh, something's gonna happen, something's gonna happen bad, I'm gonna fail, it's not gonna work out. And we have this idea that if we do these big risks, that's a big chance that can happen, and that's true. But remember, there's a chance that can happen even doing the things that you're doing right now. Like, things can happen even in your own city where you live, you know, so why not do it doing something that you love and taking the big risk at something that you really want to do, you know? And I guess one thought that I have is one by Gary Vee that I heard. It's like, die on your own sword. You can fail doing something you hate, so why not fail doing something you love, you know? And kind of on that note, I guess I'll end today on that, in the back streets here of Sofia, Bulgaria, telling you guys thank you so much for watching. Talk to you guys all later, and everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile.